Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property Group, and today we are previewing the Cypress floor plan by Lennar Homes. This home here is 3 bedrooms plus den, 2 bath, over 2,200 square foot, part of the executive line of homes that you can find at many of Lennars Southwest Florida Communities. Let's walk inside this home and take a look. You've got a beautiful entry, nicely covered, and we come inside to the foyer area. You're greeted with this nice little space here with the picture window style cut through to the rest of the home. Directly to the right of the entry is your laundry space with full-size washer dryer. You have your utility sink and an entryway into your garage. And directly across the laundry space to the left of the front door are your 2 guest bedrooms. Here's your first one here with the bifold style closet. Directly across is the second guest room here. Again, this one is also with the bifold closet, and sandwiched in between both rooms is your guest bath, shown with the single sink, full shower, and commode. Nice part is this home also comes with a pocketing door right here, so you can close this area off when you have guests. Now, walking past the entryway, you have your den here, which does have a closet, so it can be used. It's a walk-in style closet, so it could definitely be used as a 4th bedroom if you choose to use it as such a manner. Now, the great room areas here, you've got a dedicated dining space here. And this looks out onto your great room area. All of the executive homes come with a full appliance package, stainless appliances, and washer dryer. And this home opened up really nicely, no matter where you are, whether you're dining or relaxing in the great room area or sitting at the kitchen. You're going to be part of the conversation. Now, last but not least, towards the back of the home here, we have the master suite, and it is a huge master. That's a king-size bed right there, plenty of room. And directly across from the bed, you have access out to your pool area with the sliding glass doors. Now, you do have his and hers closets. And then we have the master bath here with the separate sinks. You have the soaking tub, glass enclosed shower, linen closet, and your private commode room. Now, the last piece of this home is the outdoor living. This floor plan offers a beautiful space under truss. Got a great outdoor kitchen here, and all of this looks over your pool and spa area. Still plenty of room for some resort style lounge chairs in the back as well. Well guys, if you're interested in this floor plan, we are your Lennar experts. We'd be happy to help you find your dream home at one of Lennars Southwest Florida Communities. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property Group. If you want to get in touch with us, you can see all of our contact information below. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.